So what do you think is like the takeaway here for people who are listening and watching with the whole this like freelancer kind of ongoing thing, because it's such an ongoing thing. If we look back on all the podcasts we did, this whole recurring thing with freelancers is just like keeps going. Oh, I found a
Yeah,
good one and then they last or something happened. Like
yeah,
what's the
and
solution here?
I have found, like I was telling in the previous episode, or I think even in the episode before that, that I was focusing on more on volume instead of like higher quality because I was getting uncomfortable with the lower upload frequency. Found a
Mm-hmm.
freelancer from the Philippines, great freelancer, great voice. He was like a voice actor, so really awesome. He started making some videos. He did 5 videos and then he left. So that kind of sucks because I like he was really like a natural almost. Like he made some videos and was like good right away, right to the solution. So really good. So he's gone now. So I'm in the on the lookout on a quest to look more for more freelancers. I'm now talking to 3 freelancers again, and they look promising. But again, like you don't know like how long they will keep working with you because maybe the work there they need to do they don't like it or they find it difficult. So I think that's part of the game. I've accepted this
So
now.
what's what do you think is like the takeaway here for people who are listening and watching with the whole this like freelancer kind of ongoing thing, because it's such an ongoing thing. If we look back on all the podcasts we did, this whole recurring thing with freelancers is just like keeps going. Oh, I found a
Yeah,
good one and then they last or something happened. Like
yeah,
what's
and
the solution here?
yeah, I also see it in our close community.
Yeah.
Like people put a job post on, and one is replying that looks like a good fit, and then you're like, I found my freelancer finally. Well, things can change quickly because it's also for the freelancer. They're probably living across the other side of the world, so like there is not a really like the only incentive they have is money, and that there is no trust relationship yet. So it's very easy for them to say like, okay, I don't like it, I quit. So that's something you want to uh, take care of in the beginning, like maybe do an online meeting. Like if you have a good feeling of someone and you're like, okay, this one has potential, maybe invest a little bit more in the person's goal or goals, what they want to do, like why do they want to make money when maybe they want to make money for their family. Get a little bit more invested in the person if you like know they're a good fit, and hopefully you can attach them to your team for a long time, but it's not always a guarantee. So in
Yeah.
the end, especially in the beginning, it's just post as many job posts as you can, filter out the best freelancers. Eventually you will find some that will work longer for you, and if they work longer for you, maybe give them a bonus once in a while, pay a little bit more. Like it can be even like a $1 increasement per video. It can be little, but at least show them that you appreciate them, because losing a freelancer, especially if he's working for a long time with you, can be such a pain in the ass, because basically when he's gone, or she, you need to find a new freelancer, and meanwhile you're not uploading videos anymore, so you're probably losing more money by not uploading than just giving
Mm.
them a little bit more money to keep them satisfied. But in the end, it's part of the whole game, so you better accept it. Like, yeah, can't
Yeah.
say anything about it.